If you're seeing this video, chances are you are interested in selling on Amazon, or maybe you already are. Probably even stumbled across some of my YouTube videos. I hate ads like this just as much as you do that are always trying to peddle these $497 or $997 courses. Trust me, that's not what I'm doing here. The reality is that with most of those paid courses, you can just as easily learn the information on YouTube, on Google, on Reddit, on other forums. Not all of them, but most. Give me the next 30 seconds to explain myself, a little bit who I am, and what I have to offer you today. My name is Pete Koulis, and I began selling on Amazon about 2 years ago after quitting my full-time job coaching tennis. The very first 6 months, I was able to generate over 6 figures in income with just one product at a 45 to 50% profit margin. Since then, I've gone all in and expanded my product catalog to about 13 products in my main seller account. On top of that, I manage several client accounts where I'm able to get rinse and repeat, duplicatable results over and over again. How am I able to do this, you might ask? One word: systems. I have systems for product picking, systems for ranking, systems for creating the listings, launching, sponsored ads, everything, you name it. I have systems that are easily replicatable, duplicatable by anyone out there, regardless of your skill level. And the good news today for you is that I'm going to be handing them over to you for 100% free. Let me just show you a quick screenshot of my first year in sales just so you don't think I'm full of BS, right? See, August 28th, 2016 to August 28th, 2017, $212,000. Today I have some amazing news for you. What if I told you that you could save that $500 or $1,000 that you would have spent on another course and use that for your first or second or third, wherever you are in the stage of the game, right? Use that for your next FBA product. Here's the thing, I spent the last 2 to 3 months out of my time putting together the most robust and high-level free Amazon FBA course on the market that I know of. That's right, I don't actually have anything to sell you right now. I'm literally offering you everything that I know, everything that I've learned, everything that I have fought tooth and nail for over the years, all the mistakes, all the bleeding, giving you all of that for 100% free. Don't be fooled by the word free. I leave absolutely nothing back. I give you my exact processes on how to pick products with a high odds chance of generating you $5,000 in net profit per month. Literally like I'm handing over the knowledge that I have in my brain and inputting it into a chip, right? And then placing it in your head, kind of like Neo in the Matrix when he was able to dodge all those bullets. Here's the thing, not only are you going to be dodging bullets, but if you work your butt off and apply yourself, you're literally going to have a chance at wielding the actual gun in your hand. I'll give you a few things that's included in this course. Number one, you're going to get my exact product picking formula. You're going to have the confidence to go out there, plunk down your hard-earned money from day one, and because you'll have confidence that you're going to be able to get a return on that investment based on my formula, based on the teachings that you're going to see. Number two, you're going to get my supplier email templates. You're going to see exactly how I negotiate with foreign suppliers. I know it's intimidating. You have a language barrier. They might be in China. They might be in India. That's not going to matter. They are going to think you've been doing this for the last 10 years. You're going to see exactly how it's done. You're then going to get my exact product listing formula. You're going to know how to write copy. You're going to know how to do amazing keyword research, and you're going to know how to create wow images that blow the socks off of your customers and convert sales, most importantly. After we get into the listing stuff, we're going to get into probably the most important part of the whole entire course, which is launching and ranking. You can have the world's greatest product on planet Earth. If no one can see it with their own two eyes, no one can actually buy it. That's the only thing that matters. Ranking your product in the search results on Amazon is the #1 way to start generating money. Obviously, a great product and a great offer to go along with that is only going to help. But look, you must get the ranking part down, and this is the part that most people struggle with because it is the hardest. It's the highest skill level. It's hard because it's an ever-changing beast, right? Amazon is an ever-changing beast. There's so much more included in this course, but I don't have time to get into all of it right now. All I can say is that absolutely nothing is left up to chance, and you need to get in right now before it's too late. Let me just quickly go over some of the rankings that we've been able to get for some of our products, right? So these graphs you see right here, these are all individual rankings based on keyword. And these are all page 1 rankings. So all these you see right here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, this is all #1 on page 1. So all these products are getting ranked for this wide net of keywords, right? #1 on page 1. And we have 2, 3, 15, 6, 10, 15. The reason I only go up to 16 is because there's about 16 products on page 1, so I sort of estimated at that. So look, tons, dozens and dozens of page 1 rankings for very, very competitive keywords, right? Look, 70,000 competing products. We'll get into what all this stuff means in the course, so don't feel intimidated right now. 55,000 competing products. Extremely competitive niches, keywords, products. #1 on page 1. Guys, this stuff works. It's proven. I do it over and over again. I'm literally handing it to you for free. Get yourself in now while you can. Again, I'm signing out, but until then, I'll see you on the inside.